ka surjong phi ka thang jangi.
Kajingi ipay ba kalasyong hakalinti senchar pisa jong ka sorkar pdeng kaba kinong yalam rang ba ka BJP kilakren siya kilat patay kubor ha Shillong da kaba batay ba ka union budget 8,000 riu kalong kaba pin kaladur bat kaba pin rai na ka bynta ka thain shatei lammihngi. Udevish Kumar MLC na Bihar but convener ka budget publicity campaign na ka bynta ka thain shatei lammihngi tingkad bat ka shazia imi kilapan long ya ka jingelang bat kilat patay kubor ha kapor RBJ Minsngi BJP State Office Habibar Road Shillong. Hakajing yakran kabalingkot kinong yalam kilapan pao ya kimat bakong san jong ka mang tyngka ka sorkar pdeng 8,000 riu kinthop ya ka jing penbor ka bajur ban penhe ya ki jingtei hakathan shatei lammihngi bat ki jing penkiyo ya ka jing pelut pisa ha ki surak kilentirel bat ha ki jing penyeso digital.
Follow from the guiding principles, the three kartavyas, like the push being given to the industrial sector, push being given to employment generation. There's so many measures which have been enunciated, which have been highlighted in the budget. The new age economy, data centers, artificial intelligence, pharmaceuticals, biochemicals, so biotech, all these new age economy, because India, we have to, our Prime Minister talks of Viksit Bharat, which is a developed India by 20.
If you look at it, you realize that, there has been so much transformation in the state itself. We're looking at a GSDT, which is the GDP of a state, of 7,000 crores, 64,700 crores. Now, some important facts that is very important, and I must say that our state, Meghalaya state, I'm here, and I consider it my state also as part of my country. So it's an honor for me to say this, and you know it, that the state has recorded average double-digit growth over the last decade. 80% of Meghalaya's population lives in rural areas, which is why it was very important for us to look at road connectivity. And I will tell you in terms of kilometrage, how much the roadways, how much the entire, how much they have increased, and what a huge jump there is in what the connectivity was and now. Agriculture, of course, is 22% of the state economy. And if you look at overall the budget 2026, it empowers Meghalaya through a higher tax devolution. And now we're looking at 9,600 crores given to the state, which is untied funds, specifically for states' development. So 9,600 crores specifically as untied funds, more flexibility, and of course, it means greater responsibility. What does that translate into? What does this 9,600 crores mean to a citizen of Meghalaya, to you and me, to every brother and sister of Meghalaya? Connectivity. We're looking at hill areas, feeder roads, and the digital backbone. Tourism as a year-round livelihood. I had the privilege and the pleasure to go to Doki, and I just saw how beautiful it was. Can you imagine how important it can be as an economy and as livelihood for our local brothers and sisters? So it just shouldn't be a seasonal income, but a year-long livelihood. Agri-value addition, which means processing, branding, and exporting. Youth skilling and entrepreneurship, very, very important. So migration is a choice. It is not a compulsion. Friends, earlier budgets have failed, and I'm not blaming them. I'm not saying that they were wrong to do it or they did not plan it better. Intentions, I'm not saying were wrong, but the delivery systems were very weak.